and welcome to Hawaii Kai Kitchen. You know, sea salt is rapidly becoming more popular as more people are learning about the health benefits that it has to offer. Hawaii Kai's gourmet sea salts are obtained naturally from the sea and do not go through any processing that alters the natural makeup of the salt. For today's recipe, I'll be using Hawaii Kai's white silver sea salt to make the most popular staple food from my own country of Korea, kimchi. Salt is a tremendously important ingredient used in two stages of making kimchi. First, in salting the cabbage, and second, for the stuffing mix. The whole process will take about 2 hours, so let's get started. First, we'll cut the Napa cabbage lengthwise into quarters. And then we'll remove the cores. And then I'm going to move these cabbages into a large, deep mixing bowl. Next, we'll make the kimchi sauce. I'm going to combine 5 tablespoons of gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, and 7 tablespoons of fish sauce, tablespoon of minced garlic, tablespoon of freshly minced ginger, and finally a tablespoon of organic cane sugar. Give it a good mix. To this bowl, we'll add some sliced onions, 2 cups of chopped chives, daikon radish into the mixture. And we're going to mix the sauce with the cut up vegetables. Next, we'll need to make some salt water. So here I have about 1.5 cups of water, and I'm going to add 2 spoonfuls of coarse white silver sea salt. When the salt dissolves completely, we'll pour it over the cabbage. And we'll let the cabbage soak in the salt water for about 1.5 hours, and then rinse them thoroughly in cold water. We'll put all these vegetables and sauce into this large mixing bowl and give it a good mix. Make sure you have these disposable gloves, otherwise the gochugaru will stain your fingernails. And then take a handful of the stuffing and put them in between the layers of the salted cabbage, like this, and then pour the sauce over the cabbage. You can store the kimchi in a traditional ongi jar or in a Tupperware. Make sure you leave the kimchi out in room temperature for about 36 to 48 hours before storing it in the fridge. You can also try making other kinds of kimchi using the delicious red alai sea salt. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Hawaii Kai Kitchen. Mahalo!